Today, we're going to be learning about how we can integrate Versal with Canvas via LTI integration. So what we're going to do first to make this happen is add Versal as an external tool provider or app to our Canvas system. So right now I'm in a course. So I'm in my Retail 101 course that I created for my retail sales training course that I made on Versal. But you could also add Versal as an external tool provider or app at the account level. So depending on what permissions you have with Canvas, you can either add Versal on a course level, in which case you would be adding Versal on a course-by-course basis, or you can add it at the account level if you're an admin. So to add Versal as an external tool provider, I'm going to click on Settings, and then I'm going to click on Apps. I'll click on View App Configurations, and then I'm going to click Add App. And here we're brought to an Add App window where we're going to enter some information. So I'm going to add a name for our tool. And then I'm going to get a consumer key and shared secret. So basically how that works is that if you have an organization account with Versal, you will have access to this page where you can get your consumer key, shared secret, and so on. So I'm just going to copy this information and add it to that window back there. So consumer key, shared secret. And then here we call it a configuration URL, but on Canvas they call it a launch URL. Domain is versal.com. And then for privacy, we're actually going to set it on public. And this is actually really important if you want to get grades into your gradebook from the Versal course. Essentially, this is going to allow Versal to get the name and email address of your learner so that we can connect on the back end and then bring those quiz scores and such into your gradebook on Canvas. So that's really important. I'm going to click Submit. And now we can see that Versal has been added as an app to my Canvas course. And again, you could also do this on the account level where you'd be adding it to the account rather than just one particular course within the account. So now what we're going to do is add our Versal course that we've created into this Canvas course. So I'm going to go to Assignments. And again, if you want to have these grades from your course passed back to your gradebook in Canvas, you're going to need to add your course as an assignment. So add an assignment. And now I'm brought to this assignment page. So first I'm going to give my course a name, Retail Sales Training. And then I can skip down. And this is when we will start to configure our course. So first points, we're going to make it out of 100. And then for display grade as, we're going to say percentage. And this is really important because Versal calculates grades as percentages. So you're not going to get grades passed back correctly unless you put display grade as percentage. So that's pretty important. For submission type, we're going to say external tool. And then that will change so that we can actually add a URL here. So what I'm going to do to get the course URL is go to my course page on versal.com. I'm going to go to the sharing tab, as you can see here, and then I'm going to copy this learning tools interpretability LTI link. So I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to go back to my Canvas page, and I'm going to paste that URL into that field. Now I can either click Save if I'm not ready to publish, or I can click Save and Publish. And as you can see, we are brought into our course in the assignment area. If I click on assignments, we'll see retail sales as a link. And of course, make sure that this assignment is published if you want your learners to be able to see it and access it. And that's it for today. We've successfully added our Versal course into Canvas via LTI integration.